Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we will be doing a nice deep stretch against a wall. So all you will need is a wall and a mat, somewhere cushiony to lay back on. So starting up with your hips against the wall, and then you can gently swing your legs up that wall. Nestle in, flex your feet up. Maybe point those toes. Whatever feels comfortable here, bringing one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly to connect to your body, to connect to your breath, allowing blood to flow in the opposite direction. Gently bringing the feet to touch, knees go wide, butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana. Allowing the wall to be a bit more resistance here. Pressing your knees down or simply letting go of any effort. Whatever you need for your practice. Taking a few big breaths in each pose. And then gently bring the legs out wide, find a straddle, allow gravity to pull your legs down as you feel that extra support of the wall. This is one of my favorites. Deep breaths here. You can notice with each inhale as your belly and your chest rise, you feel a sense of lightness. Gently planting the feet on the wall, figure 4 pose, right ankle just under that left knee. You can either again actively drive your right knee towards the wall if you want more of an active stretch, or you can let the wall do most of the work here. Take a few deep breaths. This one's pretty intense. Maybe you wiggle a bit side to side, feeling each part of the hips. Uncross the legs, work onto the other side, pulling your left ankle under your right knee, flexing that foot to protect that knee. Big breaths here. Breathing through that hip. Notice with each exhale as you feel a sense of heaviness. Maybe adding those little motions side to side. Gently releasing the legs. Just simply allow the legs to fall to the left, taking a twist. Gazing towards your right hand, releasing the low back, and then gently allow the legs to fall over to the right, gazing to the left. Your legs could be straight or bent here, it does not matter. Taking whatever feels good. Gently bringing the legs back to center. Rolling over gently. Thank you so much for joining me. This was Flow with Sky. I hope you enjoyed this workout. I hope you enjoyed this flow. Bye.